All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about, well, the devious plans of the tool trucks. Let's talk about, well, some of the devious stuff you really probably don't even think about. Not talking about the, it's only $50 a week type stuff. I did a whole video talking about predatory tool dealers going after young technicians, trying to get them to buy boxes, way out of their skill level and all that. So that's not what this is about. But what this is about is how they package things. The devious way in which they get you to buy bigger and bigger and bigger toolboxes. If you're old like me, back in the day, double banks. If you had a double bank toolbox, just a bottom box or a top and a bottom box, man, you were killing it. You were the man. You go into most shops back when I started out, everybody had a single stack, Snap-on, Matco, Mac, whatever, but it was a single stack toolbox. The toolboxes that now we call roll carts, i.e. the Epic, that's bigger than a lot of toolboxes back in the day. The Wall Revels, Mr. Bigs, it's become way more commonplace. Why? Well, it started back in the day. Back in the day, you got a set of wrenches. It might have come in a tool bag. When you put it in your toolbox, you laid it out. All your wrenches sitting on the pad. That was it. Then came the plastic trays. Now, one of the things you'll notice about the plastic trays is they're nice and pretty. They look good on the shelf. They look good in the drawer. They organize. They tend to take up space, drawer space. And the problem has gotten worse. The new trend is these foam cutout tool organizers. Put it the right way so the Snap-on logo goes up right. And guess what? These take up a lot more room. These are 4 extensions. And to give you an example, that's how much drawer they would take up without the organizers. You could take these and put them somewhere and wow, look at the difference in the amount of room it takes up. That's a big thing. Figure you start buying a bunch of these and all of a sudden that drawer is full to the brim and you can't put anything more in it. Also, some drawers may not fit them, so you got to put them in a deeper drawer. Guess what? Run out of room even faster because the drawer's not full. I'm picking on Snap-on, but I was picking on Snap-on with those 2 items, but this is Mac. Matco has the same thing, and they take up a lot of room. Now, of course, this has been a problem for a long, long time. Blow molded cases. If you notice, they're getting bigger too. They're getting harder to fit. You need more big drawers. You need more small drawers. You need more. So, unfortunately, it's one of the problems of this industry is, well, the tool trucks want to sell toolboxes and tools, and, well, they make more on bigger toolboxes. So they want to sell bigger toolboxes. The important thing is when you're buying tools, understand while these organizers, these cases are really pretty, keep everything well organized, they take up a lot of room. I've gotten some comments about the organization of my original Revel X. The reason it's organized the way it is because, well, I didn't have room or drawer depth for a lot of the cases. To give you an example, this would barely fit in the stubby drawers of my Snap-on box. Barely. And well, they were a bunch of them. They were all really small. I ran out of room, so a lot of this kind of stuff got tossed in the trash because I just didn't have the space for it. Again, going back to, it's a conspiracy. They're trying to sell you stuff to sell you more stuff. Now, blow molded cases. These are some of the worst things to try to store. They are. I mean, they just are. There's no way around them. They take up a lot of drawer space. They take up a lot of locker space. And they're just big and bulky. The problem is a lot of times these have a lot of small parts in them that it's really well organized in the case, so you're kind of in a danged if you do, danged if you don't kind of situation. A lot of times I will dump a blow molded case just because it takes up too much room. I mean, I've already got a wall of Revels. I don't have much room to expand anymore, so can't do much more. So I gotta optimize my space just like y'all do. So don't fall for the conspiracy. And as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.